Hey there! In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of adding events on the SRVZr platform. It's pretty straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your SRVZr account. Once you're in, go to the U Businesses tab. To add a new event, simply click the Add button. Next, locate the Events option and select. Now it's time to fill in the event details. Upload your event PSOder, choose a date, set the start and end times, provide event information like free drinks, add tags, and select the event's location. After filling in the details, click Next. Time to set up your event space. Here's where you can get creative with the seating arrangement, drag in tables, rectangular ones, or rows of chairs, whatever suits your event best. To get rid of something, just hold and drag it out. You can also zoom in and out or move around the canvas as you like. Need more chairs at a table? Just click and hold on the table and use the plus or minus button. In the top corner, you can see the amount of seats in your layout. If you've got a pre-made layout, go ahead and load it in. We're using 4,300 for our example. When you're ready, click Next. In the event settings, specify the ticket price. Decide whether to cover platform fees and choose payment options at your card. To enable cash payment, you must have SRVZr start. Once completed, click Next. Review everything you've entered. And if you're satisfied, hit the Publish button. Congratulations! Your event is now live on SRVZr and you can share the event link with interested attendees. For those looking to attend your event, they can follow these steps. 1. Go to the Events section on SRVZr or follow your link. 2. Find your event and click on it. 3. Check out the event details and purchase tickets. 4. Select a ticket from the layout. 5. Enter their name, phone number, and age. 6. Choose your payment method, card or cash based on event settings. 7. Confirm your payment, and you'll receive your event ticket via email and a ticket within the app. And that's it! You've learned how to create and book events on SRVZr. Feel free to start planning your fantastic events, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Happy event organizing!